Hello, my dear friend. How are you? I hope you will be nice. Today we are studying the most important equation, the chemical equation. The first chemical equation is the combination reaction. 2 Mg plus O2, 2 MgO. Magnesium plus oxygen equal to magnesium oxide. 2 Mg plus O2 is equal to 2 MgO. The second equation, decomposition reaction. Lead nitrate decompose into lead oxide and nitrogen oxide gas and oxygen gas. 2 PbNO3 decompose 2 PbO plus 4NO2 plus O2. Third, displacement reaction. Zinc react with copper sulfate, form the zinc sulfate and displace the copper. So Zn plus CuSO4, the compound form ZnSO4 and residue of the copper. This reaction is known as displacement reaction. Now, fourth equation, double displacement reaction. Sodium sulfate plus barium chloride form the new compound barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. The chemical reaction is Na2SO4 plus BaCl2. Na2 react with Cl2 form the 2NaCl. Ba react with SO4 form the BaSO4. So compound form BaSO4 barium sulfate plus 2NaCl sodium chloride. Fifth, oxidation reaction. Copper react with oxygen form copper oxide 2Cu plus O2 2CuO, that is the cupric oxide. 2Cu copper oxide means cupric oxide. 6. Reduction reaction. CuO plus H2 form Cu plus H2O, copper oxide plus hydrogen gas react form copper and water. Seventh reaction, respiration reaction. Glucose plus oxygen form the carbon dioxide plus water and energy. The formula of the glucose is C6H12O6 and 6O2 on react to glucose to form 6 molecule of carbon dioxide and 6 molecule of the water and energy. 8. Equation corrosion, rusting. Iron react with oxygen and water form the rust. 4Fe plus 3O2 plus X molecule of H2O form 2Fe2O3 dot XH2O, that is known as the rust. That is called rusting. 9. Rancidity. Rancidity. Oil or fat react with oxygen, oxidize fat, rain acid, food. Equation 10. Burning of the coal. C plus O2 form the CO2, carbon react with oxygen form carbon dioxide gas. Question number 11. Burning of the natural gas. Methane gas react with oxygen form the carbon dioxide and water. So CH4 react with 2O2 form the CO2 plus 2H2O, that is known as the burning of the natural gas. There produce the heat. Question number 12. Reaction of the calcium oxide with water. Calcium oxide react with water form the calcium hydroxide slaked lime. Calcium oxide is known as the quicklime and calcium hydroxide known as the slaked lime. When quicklime react with water form the slaked lime. Question number 13. Thermal decomposition of calcium carbonate. When calcium carbonate are heating, they form the calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Calcium carbonate thermal decomposition form the calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Question number 4. Electrolysis of water. 2H2O when produce the electricity form the 2H2 plus O2 water change into hydrogen gas and oxygen gas. Question number 15. Iron with copper sulfate. When iron react with copper sulfate form the iron sulfate and replace the copper as a residue. So iron plus copper sulfate form the iron sulfate plus copper. Question number 16. Silver nitrate with the sodium chloride. Silver nitrate AgNO3 react with sodium chloride, that is NaCl, normal salt, form the compound AgCl plus NaNO3. Silver nitrate plus sodium chloride form the silver chloride plus sodium nitrate. Question number 17. Neutralization reaction. When acid react with base form the salt and water, those reaction known as the neutralization reaction. So here we can see the hydrochloric acid react with sodium hydroxide form the sodium chloride and water. This reaction is also known as neutralization reaction. Now question number 18. Reaction of zinc with the dilute hydrochloric acid. When any solid or metal react with acid form the metal salt and reduce the hydrogen gas. Zinc react with hydrochloric acid form the zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. The Zn plus 2HCl form zinc chloride ZnCl2 plus H2. Question number 19. Reaction of the sodium with water. Sodium react with water form the sodium hydroxide plus H2 gas. Sodium water react sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Photosynthesis. 6CO2 plus 6H2O combine and form C6H12O6 as a glucose plus 6O2. Carbon dioxide react with water form the glucose and oxygen. Thank you so much nice. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.